Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a get ready with me. This is my first one ever. I'm trying to get this together, try to get more comfortable talking to you guys, showing you my life, showing you what I'm going through. I just washed this hair. I think you guys saw my last install when I installed this hair. It is from Yummy Hair, their Royal Elegance, or Wavy Elegance. And I did cut the bottoms because this was 20 inches, but it was because this is 16 and there was 20 at the bottom. It was like a big, huge gap. So I just cut the bottom of it just to layer it a little bit better. And I'm just gonna be curling it up. I figured, you know, we'd talk a little, get to know each other, okay? So I'm all for that. So yeah, I don't know, this hair, it's okay. It's good for, you know, in a clutch hair. So I'm happy about that. But my next install, and I think I'm gonna install again, because I usually keep my weaves in for about 3 months. I try to do at least, 12 weeks to keep it in when I can tolerate it that long. So I'm hoping I can keep it in that long so I can show you guys a silk press on my natural hair, because I've actually never done a silk press before, but I'm dying to try it. I'm just gonna be putting some barrel curls in it, and I am using my Bliss curling iron. I've had this for about a year or so, and I love Baby Bliss. I think their products are so good. I used to love Chit, but some of their things don't have like a heat setting, so I started going really away from that, especially with my own hair. I don't want it breaking off too much. And to keep my curls, I'm going to be using my Sebastian Shaper Plus just to hold on my curls as long as possible. Life is good actually. You saw when I was showing my clothing line in the launch of it. We haven't launched yet. Actually, we might launch next week. I'm thinking next week we'll probably, go live with the website. I'm so excited. This has been like a long time in the process, just getting it right, getting it perfect. And we wanted something that represented us and what we're doing and how we're doing it, with our kids as the models, because Sophie and I do own daycare, so yeah, just having something that represented us and our kids, our brand was very important for us. But it was a long time in the making, so now I feel like we're finally ready, we're finally able to do it, and I'm just excited for you guys to see it and get myself out there. When I started this channel, it was basically to show how I'm doing it. Just something that's mine, basically, that I can show you guys exactly how. I can show a house, and I can show cars, and I can show things, but I want to show you how I got it, and how I'm getting it, and how I'm doing it, and how you can do it too. So that was my main goal for starting this YouTube channel, and I'm still perfecting it, guys. YouTube is not easy. Getting on here and talking to people, opening your life to people, it's not easy, but it's rewarding so far. I really love it, honestly. And every time I get on here, I am so nervous to show you guys. Oh my gosh, it took me forever to be comfortable enough to show my face without makeup, or show me, just getting ready and showing that aspect of myself. But I'm so happy. I'm so happy with the process, and I know a year from now I'll see it. YouTube, I feel like, is one of those things where it's instant gratification. And I'm all about instant gratification. I want it, and I want it now. I want my results now. I don't want to work for it. I want it now. So YouTube is teaching me the process of going about it, the process of building trust, and letting people in on me and who I am and what I'm doing and what I'm about. So I'm really trusting the process now, and I'm so happy. I'm really happy that I finally gained the confidence to do it. I'm more of a behind the scenes kind of person. I'm never, in the front. I never wanted to be. I never saw myself doing it. And, just to be out here and, try to put those insecurities in the back, it really means a lot, honestly. It shows growth to me, and it shows something I just never thought I'd be able to do. So I'm really happy about starting it, and even if I have 100 subscribers or 100,000, I'd be so blessed and so honored, because it's just crazy to me that even 200 people know who I am. I don't want to go about it with cheap gimmicks. I want to earn your trust. I want to earn it. I want you to get to know me. And hopefully there's somebody out there who can relate to me and is quirky like me and has my sense of humor and, just gets me. And I think that's more important. I'm really more about the experience of getting to know you guys and getting to build a community with you guys. Okay guys, so I am now just separating out my leaf out. So this right here is my leaf out, and some of it did break off, but I am working on getting it back. So I'm gonna put this here, and this is the part that I'm always flat ironing. It breaks a lot, I'm not even gonna lie. Being as that part of my hair does get a lot of heat, I try to use this Chit iron guard. I actually got this in TJ Maxx for like $2. And yeah guys, so if I can inspire just anybody to just do it and just get started on your business or whatever it is that you want to do, or I say do it now, don't wait. You know, like I said, like right now this is just exposing so many different things that we never thought could happen before. Like you never thought somebody who works for the state or the government or anything like that, those secure jobs, flight attendants, pilots, oh my gosh, pilots. There are people getting laid off from Delta and, you know, all those airlines. It's crazy. And what do you do is my question. What do you do? So now it just kind of puts us in a perspective where it's like a lot to think about and start planning and plotting on what you're going to do next. What's your plan B? Everybody should have a plan B. I try to have a plan B, C, D, E, and F, but you know, at least have your plan B on what's your next step. You know, if you were to lose everything today or tomorrow, what's your next step? And that, my friends, is what this channel is about. I'm gonna show you my plan B, C, D, E, and F, and how I'm trying to bring income in from all different avenues, because you know, at the end of the day, we all, although it is the root of all evil, we all need money to survive, right? And that's the point. Okay guys, so let me speed this up a little bit. So I am using my Leather Baby Bliss Pro, and I have the heat setting at 345 for my leave out because, yeah, I'm trying not to burn this off to a crisp. So let me just flat iron this real quick. Okay, so I threw some curls in, and I'm just going to use some of this Sun Essentials Cara Care. Okay guys, so let's get into this face. And I'm sorry I'm doing it in the bathroom, guys. Excuse my background in the bathroom. First off, my face is already moisturized. I'm gonna do these eyebrows really quick. So I am using some, just a basic Revlon Color Stay eyebrow pencil in dark brown. And I'm just gonna brush up my eyebrows. And guys, I just recently learned how to do eyebrows. Like, I was not an eyebrow drawer owner. I was not a pro. I took these 3 months and utilized them for something that was important to me, important to what I am, important to who I am, which is a makeup guru. So I've been really trying to practice my craft and learn. So I've been just drawing on random eyebrows and trying to see what works for me. My eyebrows are usually very thin, so I try to over exaggerate them by making them a little bit bigger. So I'm using my MAC concealer contour palette, and it's looking busted and raggedy because I've used up every little bit. But now that Macy's is open again, I should be able to buy another one. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. They are drawn on to my best of my ability, and I just use a beauty blender to just brush it out. Okay, so it's the basic shape that I'm looking for. Now to get into my foundation, I'm gonna be using my Fenty, and I'm almost out of this. Gotta place another order. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to Sephora. Okay, so I got a little bit of the Fenty. It's a little bit darker than my complexion, but I like it a little bit darker because it like makes the concealer pop more. Alright, so I get a lot of dark marks like right here on my face. Some of it is moles from being, you know, from being hereditary, because moles run in my family. And I've been using and liking the Morphe C445. That's what I've been using as a concealer. I like it. Do I love it? No, I haven't found my, you know, die hard, this is the concealer I love yet, but this will do. So I don't know, you know, I love makeup, but I am willing to take suggestions. So anybody who is into makeup, you can suggest a good concealer for me. I think people said ColourPop is good, but I think I was having problems finding my color. So if you can suggest a concealer that's really good for me, I would love to try. Okay, so now the concealer is blended out. Looks good. Okay, on days I'm going for like a dramatic look, what I use is my CoverGirl, and I don't know if this is right, but I'm telling you what I do. I use the Maybelline Fit Me Poreless in Java because it's the darkest color that I've been able to find, and I feel like the darker it is, the more snatched you look. So, and I'm all about the snatched and getting rid of this chin area, so that's what I've been using. I've been really loving this. I don't use this all the time. This is for when I'm going like out, like I want somebody to see me. So that's when I'll use this. So there we go. Okay, so now I have my Sacha Buttercup. Sacha Buttercup is what I'll use when I am like going for like a more dramatic look. Like I said, when I'm going out and I want to like look put together, this I'll use my Sacha Buttercup. And the other time I would just use my Laura Mercier because that more matches my skin tone. And then I'll use my bronzer. My bronzer I use is my Queen collection in Natural Minerals. Remember this when this came out, everybody was going crazy. Yeah, I was one of them. And I'm just going to like my flat head, my contour brush. Okay guys, so let's see what else do I have to do with this face. Lashes. So I just got my eyelashes done yesterday, and I was going for like that dramatic I always have lashes on kind of thing, but I kind of got like a natural look, which I actually am feeling. It's like very cute and everyday, but when you want to bring the drama, you want lashes. Okay, so let me see if I can put on the other ones. You should see like my whole setup for my lashes. It's kind of just like thrown there. Like when you come in my bathroom, all you see is like random eyelashes. I really need to get a holder for it. I love eyelashes. I feel like it just makes the look. And then I will use a little bit of the Jackie Aina collection from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Nothing crazy because I'm not a big eyeshadow wearer. And this is the look. Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to be using my Free Bird from Morphe, which is like the perfect nude for dark skin, I feel like. It's so cute. Okay guys, so let me just show you the finished product of what I'm going to be wearing. I got this cute little number from this store called Molly and Zoe. I guess I'll put their Instagram. I don't know if they have another store that's not in Jersey, but I thought it was super cute. It comes with a shorts outfit and flowy top to cover my belly. And it's hard to find like two-piece sets that's not a crop top because I don't want to like try to suck it in all night. I can't. I don't have time or patience for that, and I got barbecue to eat. So we're not doing none of that. So these arms are nice and flowy, so we are good to go. I paired it with my Gucci sandals that are gold. I don't know if you can see them. Yes, just some studs, and that is it. Just gotta wear a strapless bra with this because you can see all the way in the back with it. But yeah, what are you thinking? It has these cute little pockets. What do you guys think of my outfit? I think this is super cute. If this had another color, I'd be getting like all the colors because it's comfortable, it's still sexy, but it's like covered. So as always guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. This is my first Get Ready With Me, so let me know what you guys thought, what you guys are thinking about the whole thing, and you'll see more of me next time. Like, comment, and subscribe at the bottom. Let me know how you're feeling, girl, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.